Dear colleagues, I wanted to remind you today about an important upcoming summit that underscores our company's unwavering commitment to diversity and inclusion. Welcome to the Sheroes 2018 Summit happening this Saturday at the Founders Hall in our Trivandrum campus. A diverse organization is an innovation factory and a source of resilient growth. It is indeed our diverse perspectives and inclusive culture that can enable us to collaborate, innovate, and come up with the best solutions to meet our customers' needs. We are proud sponsors of the Sheroes Summit, which is a high-energy series of multi-city events where women thought leaders, disruptors, and professionals from all walks of life come together. It promises to be rich in conversations and connections, and this year, the summit is themed around the power of building communities and literally the world-changing impact that can have. We will also be hosting an opportunity desk that will showcase our brand, the work that we do, the opportunities that we offer, and celebrate our community. Please do attend the summit to network, engage, to skill up, and most of all, be inspired. Thank you.